Honey and Jaggery Face Scrub, your skin's best friend. The secret to radiant, glowing skin. Did you know that 2 humble kitchen ingredients can give you baby soft, radiant skin? Forget expensive beauty products, nature has already provided us with the perfect skincare duo, Honey and Jaggery. This ancient beauty secret has been trusted for centuries to exfoliate, nourish, and brighten the skin naturally. So, if you want a flawless, glowing complexion without harsh chemicals, keep watching till the end because this DIY Honey and Jaggery Face Scrub will transform your skincare routine. Introduction: why your skin needs this natural scrub. Our skin is constantly exposed to pollution, dirt, and harsh weather conditions. Over time, dead skin cells accumulate, making our face look dull and lifeless. Most store-bought scrubs contain harmful chemicals that can strip the skin of its natural oils. That's where Honey and Jaggery come to the rescue. Jaggery acts as a natural exfoliator, removing dead skin cells and deeply cleansing pores. Honey is a powerhouse of hydration and antioxidants that soothe and nourish the skin. Together, they create an unbeatable skincare remedy that brightens, softens, and rejuvenates your skin naturally. Benefits of Honey and Jaggery Face Scrub. 1. Natural exfoliation for baby soft skin. Jaggery's grainy texture makes it an excellent exfoliator, helping remove dead skin cells, blackheads, and excess oil while being gentle on the skin. Unlike harsh scrubs, Jaggery melts slowly, preventing over-exfoliation and irritation. 2. Deep hydration and skin repair. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it locks moisture into your skin, keeping it soft and hydrated. It also contains antibacterial properties that help prevent acne and soothe irritation. 3. Brightens and evens skin tone. Packed with natural glycolic acid, Jaggery helps fade dark spots, pigmentation, and sun damage, leaving your skin naturally glowing. Meanwhile, Honey's enzymes help lighten scars and blemishes over time. 4. Fights acne and pimples. Both Honey and Jaggery are rich in antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. They help in reducing acne, controlling excess oil production, and preventing future breakouts without drying out your skin. 5. Anti-aging benefits. Regular use of this scrub can reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin thanks to Honey's rich antioxidants, which protect against premature aging and environmental damage. How to make the perfect Honey and Jaggery Face Scrub. Ingredients. Heavy checkmark 1 tablespoon Jaggery powder, or crushed Jaggery. Heavy checkmark 1 tablespoon raw honey. Heavy checkmark 1 teaspoon lemon juice, for brightening, optional. Heavy checkmark 1 teaspoon rose water, for soothing, optional. Method. 1. Crush the Jaggery into a fine powder if it's in solid form. 2. Mix it with honey to form a smooth paste. 3. Add lemon juice for added brightening benefits, optional. 4. Stir in rose water for extra hydration, optional. 5. Your homemade face scrub is ready to use. How to use this scrub for maximum benefits. Small orange diamond. Step 1. Cleanse your face. Wash your face with lukewarm water to open up the pores. Small orange diamond. Step 2. Apply the scrub. Gently massage the scrub onto your face in circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. Focus on areas with blackheads and dullness. Small orange diamond. Step 3. Let it sit. Leave it on for 5 minutes so your skin absorbs the nutrients. Small orange diamond. Step 4. Rinse off. Use lukewarm water and gently pat your skin dry. Small orange diamond. Step 5. Moisturize. Follow up with a lightweight moisturizer to seal in hydration. Use this scrub 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. Conclusion: a natural glow like never before. Why spend thousands on chemical-laden beauty products when nature has given us the perfect skincare solution? With just Honey and Jaggery, you can achieve radiant, youthful, and glowing skin effortlessly. Try this homemade face scrub today and see the magic for yourself. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing skincare tips. Let's glow naturally.